Hi, we're going to unbox the LG mask. And many people are wondering why this mask is so costly. So we're going to unbox and see why this is so costly and what it is made of. So once you unbox it, the first part which comes out is the outer layer, the shell. Basically it's white in color and it's a permanent feature of the mask which you don't need to throw it out. So it's got two fans on both sides along with a HEPA filter. So this is how it looks. Yeah, you have the two sides, and these are the extendable ear wraps, and you can adjust this. And this is basically the silicone gel. This is the inner layer of the mask. This is again a permanent feature. It's made of silicone. It's very spongy and it's very flexible. It doesn't affect it doesn't put strain on your face. It's very comfortable when you wear it. And to put this inside, it's very simple. You just have to clip on fit. It's basically you just have to put it and press it and it gets attached. It's so easy. And see, this is how it looks after putting it. The next part is that what we are seeing is that we're seeing a warranty card and a user manual, and we have this inner filter which goes inside the mask, and this is the outer filter which comes outside the mask. So these are strap extenders. You can put it on the back side of your head so that if you're finding it very difficult. And this is a pouch where you can store the mask comfortably inside after using it for the day. It's a velvet style, and this is where you fit in the outside filters. These are the HEPA filters, and it has to be fit on both left and right side of the mask. And inside that you have the fan which will basically suck in the air, so you get a purified air inside the mask, which is always breathable. So you always get a good supply of air inside the mask, so it is very breathable. You don't have to suffocate. And you have this is a filter which comes on the inside. So this one actually now you can change it once in 10 days or once in 20 days depending on the dirt it accumulates or the color when it changes. The outside filters you just have to change it once in a month or twice a month. So this is a settings for fan, and it's got a C-type charger for charging. If you charge it for 2 hours, it will come for 8 full hours. For a day it will come. And this is how you put it, and it's so comfortable wearing it. And you just set the fan settings. You have 3 settings, and this is extended strap. If you're finding it difficult, you can put this strap so that it doesn't put pressure on your nose or on your face. It's so comfortable. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just setting the fan speed. You have 1, 2, 3 speeding. So at 3 speeds basically, and this is an exit for exit air. It's so comfortable.